Hello, everybody. My name is Hazbin Lucifer Gaming, and today I'm using my Brassica PMG on Fuji Tech. So, and I may be Brassicas today, but I have someone back here with me again. Say hello. Azrael.
Hi guys.
Anything else you'd like to
What?
say? Anything else you'd like to say?
Go follow my TikTok. Azrael Gaming is my
Yes,
TikTok.
follow his
Please go follow
TikTok.
that,
In
and
this
go follow
video,
his TikTok as well.
yes, I'll put it in the links below. And let's get into the YouTube reaction. Today, this is what it sounds like. Saja Boy version by K-pop Teen Hunter animation by Milky Melody, one of my friends on the art chat. Here we go.
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. Stop this song. We're shattering the silence, we're rising defiant, shouting in the quiet, you're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. Broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the color stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Ruby, no!
I'm sorry for everything.
Well, that was not as long as I
Interesting.
thought it would be. And I never thought they would switch places, though. Did you?
Neither did I.
That the Sasha Boy would be the. What's the word I'm looking for? The Huntress. And the Huntress would be the Sasha Boys. Well, that was a very interesting reaction video. What do you think, Admiral?
Indeed, it was.
And I hope you enjoy more content. Please go to subscribe to Azrael, please, on his TikTok or YouTube if he has one. And you know, my name has been Lucifer Gaming. I love all you followers and have a fantastic day. Bye bye.